Hello YouTube, I am Eli the Fatigued, playing some more Killing Floor 2. Sorry, the silence of the loading screens always gets... Anyway. Killing Floor and... see about having fun. I think seriously, I joined an empty lobby. Anyway, what I was saying was the, 7 waves were long from current focus level. Current level of focus, current inability to focus. There's the correct phrase. Like, just ready up, see, join, I don't know. I hate joining empty lobbies.
You are here to clean out Zeds. And here come your first targets. Eyes open.
Demons, cover the flame.
A solid start, but many Zeds remain.
Sizzling hot!
Extra crispy.
Sizzling hot!
I realized what I've been missing ever since I started streaming. My stereo audio.
Extra crispy.
This new computer does not play well with the program I used to have stereo audio in, which is like directional audio. Directional audio is really useful like this. And 7 Days to Die.
Extra crispy.
You guys see him glitching to me there?
Again. Let's get you restocked.
Gotta love it.
You were untouchable out there. I'm
Yeah,
impressed.
I didn't take any damage to that. I guess it was like mainly clots and a bloat and slasher. The one slasher, I think. Oh, we're gonna save up for the Helios rifle. How do I skip?
Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
Well, definitely gonna lose, because I'm not good at playing this game solo.
Coming out the floor.
But,
On you, bastard.
alright. How are y'all?
Sizzling hot!
Shit. Push the bloody floor. On you, bastard. Suck on fire.
Oh, hi. Not
Extra
here or
crispy.
seeking. Come on, just die with...
Come see me.
Of course he died
Safely
after he
open.
shot me, right?
Nicely
That's-
done.
That's how it works.
Took some hits there. Patch
I
yourself
can
up.
get the Helios right.
You like being chewed into pieces? Buy armor.
Oh yeah, I have the challenge for the mic. Well, nothing ventured, nothing gained, right?
Unless you hate living, get some armor.
Remember I used to use this a long time ago, I think before the Helios rifle? Yeah, I think it was before the Helios rifle came out. It was decent. It's like alternate fires, like... Yeah, hold on.
I suggest you purchase armor. Oh mon dieu.
Close range mic.
Hurry up.
Alt fire.
Zeds are getting closer. Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
That's 5. That's what I thought. Sure.
We did good.
Hi. Looking for me?
Gotcha.
Wow.
Bunga.
Okay, yeah, this is a lot better than I remember it being. Holy cow.
Yes, we shoot, we score. Oh, where that came from? Suck on fire! Yes! Winning!
You feel me now?
Make them explode? Yeah, nice, yeah. Legitimately just makes them explode. Game's glitching a little bit, because that was...
Perfect. Pod is open
That
again.
was,
Let's get you
yeah, that was
restocked.
the thing. Like, glitched right
There's
into my
one flesh
face.
pound that will not be coming back.
Oh yeah, summoning Cthulhu. Forgot about that. I completely, entirely forgot about summoning Cthulhu. Hi, Cthulhu.
You like being chewed into pieces? By all.
Oh, this is heavier than the human rifle. Okay. And it can be
Final
upgraded.
choices,
Maybe that
people.
means it's
Enemies on the scope.
damage? It deals more damage. Has more ammo. Huh. Why have I been using the Helios rifle?
Time's almost up. Vite.
And this is why you try out different weapons. And follow challenges, because challenges generally tell you, oh hey,
Pod
there's this really
closed.
cool weapon you should
Go
try.
make a difference.
Ah, its range. That's its drawback. Like most of the perk weapons for this class, for this perk, whatever, it has fairly short range. Oh hi.
You feel me now?
Siren, what's your name? Take and go! Good work, people.
I'm taking you down.
I just used it to twirl to go up like that. That was nice.
Watch your hands.
Siren,
Well, of course we're gonna make it to the boss, but we're definitely gonna die on the boss.
Gotcha, beastie.
If I couldn't make it solo to the boss, I shouldn't be playing video games.
Got a spray bar.
nice.
Oh, hi, boys.
Gotcha, beastie.
You have a big battle coming up. This equipment is an investment. That flesh pound didn't know what hit it just now. Very nice work.
This cat's back in the game.
Have you checked your ammo? Didn't think so.
We'll try out the perk
We're almost out of
action.
time.
I haven't tried this
Make
before.
your choices.
Honestly, there's no real best spot. Just kind of go with the flow and hope not to die at this point.
I'm about to shut the pod. More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
It seems I must take a personal hand in this. How tedious.
Hello, Hans. He's honestly one of the worst to fight solo. Because he can just grab you and heal.
To be another little experiment for me.
Like, he'll just immobilize you and heal himself while immobilizing you. The others have some variation of that, but he just straight up basically cheats.
I'll slice you up and feast on your organs. Come out, little pigs!
Bolter's been on the steroids, is that what I just said?
Gotcha! Enough of these little attacks. Here is something more to think about.
Taking you down.
I grow tired of this game. Time to try the next phase and scum. Fools! That was the easy part. What I show you next, piggies? Oh, the refreshes. I shall feast on your essence. Defeat is inevitable.
It's here.
I'm gonna say the microwave gun helped a lot there. Holy crap. I mean, okay, to be fair, I know they also change how much HP the enemies have with how many players are in the lobby. That's also the first time I think I've
This
ever
cat's back in the game.
Hans Bolter solo. It surprised me. Oh, so close to 15. Alright, YouTube, thanks for joining us today. I've been Eli the Fatigued, and this has been some more Killing Floor 2. Thanks for joining us. Talk to you later.